Living in a van down by the river? Camp chairs in your living room? What is the world coming to? Welcome to Camp Leisure, people. It's not just a trend, it's a lifestyle. The Rad Arondack chair from Kelty is unlike anything you've seen before. This isn't just another piece of camp furniture, it's redefining what a camp chair can be. To set up, unroll carry wrap and remove chair frame and seat. Unfold chair leg, pivot back support bar, pivot front leg. Pull pin and then align with hole and release. Rotate and insert armrest. Repeat for second leg. Position leg on carry wrap. Unfold fabric seat and insert crossbars by depressing spring balls. Click into place. Insert the second assembled leg. Turn it right side up. Make sure everything is in place, crack open your cold beverage, and revel in your accomplishment. It's portable enough to take with you wherever you go, on weekend camp trips, backyard barbecues, or kids' sports games. The hook and loop straps provide quick transport of your favorite chair. Lightweight, strong, and durable. And it's a cinch to assemble without a manual in 8 languages. Bring form and function anywhere on the planet. The Rad Arondack chair is built for play, home or away. Kelty, get yourself grounded.